Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to contact Upwork Customer Support. So if you also want to contact Upwork Customer Support, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.upwork.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website for Upwork. You can see several options at the top. You can also see a search bar. Right next to search bar, you can see question mark. This is an icon for help. All you have to do is click on it. Now three options will pop up. You can see option for Help Center, Community and Forums, Support Requests. All you have to do is click on the first option, that is Help Center. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Scroll down. For personalized service, you can also choose an account type. You can see three options over here, freelancer, agency and client. You can see several options over here. Click on the option for which you want to contact support. You'll be led to this kind of interface. Here also you can see several options. Click on the option that you need help for. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. And you can find the instructions over here. Scroll down to see more informations. If you did not find this information helpful, click on the option Contact Support. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Scroll down. Here you can see three options. Click on the option Chat with Support. Now you can see over here a chat box will appear. Through this chat box you can directly chat with Upwork. Simply click on the box right over here and start typing. Now click on the send option that you can see right over here. After that, you will get answer to your problem. So that is how you contact Upwork Customer Support. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.